Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. I get a lot of requests in the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on where to buy these little plugs that go on the back of the artistic wire jig kit. Now you can buy them separately, but I found a little hack on how to make your own little plugs that would fit any size of jig. So what you're going to need is a broccoli elastic and some duct tape. So basically what we're going to do is cut a piece of the elastic, so just cut it anywhere on the elastic, and cut about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of elastic. So we're going to give it a little cut, and then you need some duct tape. So I tried it with electrical tape, it wasn't as successful, so we're just going to take a piece of the duct tape. And don't worry if it's not the perfect size, we can trim it after. So we'll cut a piece of duct tape. And what you want to do is place the elastic on the duct tape. So we're just going to place it on here. Okay. And then you need to roll it. So I find a good way to roll it is you can cut a piece of wire. Should be like 20 or 18 gauge wire. Make sure it's straight. Okay, we'll cut a little piece of wire and just place it at the end of the elastic here. This is just going to make it a little bit easier to roll it, and we want to flip the edge over the wire and as tightly as you can, just pushing it in with your fingernail if you can, and just start to wind it around. So we're just going to wind it around here, and then you need to wind it around just this plain sticky part of the tape at least a little bit so it grabs. If you have extra, you can cut it off. So we'll just cut that off and then just kind of wind it around. You can then remove the wire, and then you can also trim this to the width of the elastic, and then you're going to see if it's going to work. We can just roll it around a little bit and we'll stick it in the jig, and then we want to slide it on the peg. So you're just going to slide it up. You want to make sure that your hole isn't too small. You can just screw it around a little bit if you have to, and that totally works in a pinch to hold the peg in place. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, I'll link it up below. It's a group where we share all kinds of our photos of our creations and inspiration for each other. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire wedding cake toppers and unique jewelry. I also send out a monthly newsletter, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook, where I give a list of my supplies and materials and a few tips. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.